Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Today I am solving West Bengal Joint Entrance Exam for Computer Application WBJECA 2023 question paper full solution. If you need classes from our side or if you need doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, you can call or WhatsApp on this number. Sourav Sir himself reply to your query. So let's start today's session with question number 11. What is the question? Address of the next instruction to be executed is specified by. This is a CPU instruction cycle related question. So what is the first point? MBR. This all are CPU registers, right? Okay, these all are registers type. What is the meaning of MBR? Please note it down. Memory buffer registers. What is this? This MBR is a temporary storage register to use and hold the data being transferred between the CPU and memory. Which data is to be transferred? This data will be held on MBR. Okay, so it does not store the address of next instruction. So option A will be the false, wrong answer. And what will be the option B? What is the meaning of MAR? That means memory address register. Okay, so what is the MAR means? The MAR holds the memory address for the data is being written to the main memory, or it does not store the address of next instruction to be executed. So MAR also be the wrong answer, and the option C is PSW. What is the PSW means? The program status word. Program status word. The PSW, also known as process status register or condition, it also known as process status registers, or it also known as condition code register. Okay, so what is the functionality of PSW? It stores the current state of the CPU, and what will be the, it stores the current state of the CPU, including the flag registers and other status information. Is does not contain the address of the next instruction. So option C will also the false. So what will be the last option? PC. That means program counter. What will be the meaning of PC? That means program counter, not personal computer. Okay, students. So this the program counter is a specialized register to store the memory address to the next instruction to be fetched and executed by CPU. It stored memory address of the memory address of the next instruction to be fetched. Next instruction to be fetched means accessed. Okay, fetched and executed by the CPU. Okay, so As each instruction is executed, the program counter automatically incremented. Let's say first instruction will be executed, the program counter, let's say program counter initial value is 0. After the first instruction executed, the value of the program counter will be 1, and the next value of the next instruction will be executed, the value of the program counter will be 2. So to point the next instruction in the sequence by maintaining the address of the next instruction to be executed, the program counter allows the CPU to fetch the execute in the instruction in correct order. So here what will be the answer? The answer option D will be the correct answer. Okay, please like and share this video, and to follow us and to subscribe our channel, and we'll meet you next session soon. Thank you guys.